This summer, we're gonna experience a surge in the crypto prices, not only in Bitcoin but on the other coins as well. That's why many investors call it an alt season, where many of them got wealthy. And the good news is that it is going to happen again soon. In this channel, I'll show you where we are now so we can take advantage of the coming bull market. So let's dive into it. The US Senate just passed the Genius Act that is setting a new stage for the new global adoption of stablecoins. What are stablecoins? They are the digital financial assets that don't change in value. Their job is to maintain its value, but in order to do that, they must be backed by short-term treasury bills, cash and bank deposits, and financial assets that can be quickly converted to cash. This is a major breakthrough in crypto space because it gives a lead to the US over other countries in this field. This Genius Act was passed when there was a conflict in the Middle East, where Trump joined this conflict, and right with Israel, they bombed the nuclear site in Iran. This kind of conflict lasted only about 5 or 6 days, and until it got quiet. So it was kind of a distraction of what really is going on in the Senate. In Europe, however, the European Union is bringing back a famous banking practice that led to the 2008 financial crisis, which is called securitization, where banks repackage and resell the debt to investors. So let's take a look how it works. First, bank gives a loan to like a mortgage or car loan. Then these loans are then packaged, bundled together. Then with the package is sold to investors by the banks. After buying, the investor gets interest rate on it, and banks also profit because they get rid of the loans, so they can issue a new one. And that's basically how it works. This process helps banks keep lending and gives investors a steady income. But what if those bundles were risky assets? For example, one person can't pay off the mortgage. Well, this caused a 2008 financial crisis. Securitization can also encourage greed, pushing both investors and banks to chase high return assets, just like crypto. Also, the central banks all around the world are cutting interest rates for the past 6 months. This creates a favorable environment for cheap money, for cheap loans. In crypto space, many crypto platforms allowing borrowing against crypto collateral, which is often less costly but also risky. This fuels more and more aggressive speculation, leading to such a phenomenon called FOMO, which is fear of missing out. When borrowing is cheap and prices are rising, it encourages more people to buy, creating kind of a pressure for them. In this time of the year, many people are asking questions about our financial system. That's why crypto is gaining so much attention now. We have broken money system that have been in place for more than 50 years. It's called a fiat money, and it basically means that the government can print indefinitely, leading to loss of purchasing power.